Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you turn off your iPhone. So guys, the process is same for most of the iPhone. If your lock button isn't working, then you need to just go to your phone settings. Now after going to your phone settings, you need to just go to this option, General. After going to General, scroll down and the last option here you can see Shutdown. Just click on Shutdown. And after clicking on shutdown, here you can see slide to power off. Just slide it to right like this. By sliding it to right, you can just shut down your iPhone. Now another way to shut down your iPhone is if your Siri is turned on, you can just ask Siri to turn off your iPhone. So guys, that's the way you can shut down your iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.